Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to send GIF and Instagram comments on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phone or not. And also if you still have any questions. Please let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Instagram. Next we choose our profile. Now we have to find the publication in the newsfeed, or in the search box where we want to leave any comment. Let's say I find this soccer publication. Here we can put a like, share with friends, and send a comment. We can write any comment, send any emoticon, and click publish. Also here, we should see this button called GIF. We click on it. And then we have the most popular GIFs in our topic. We can send this one. We scroll through the top like this. We can also click again on GIF, and any word you want to write. Let's say this, and you will find any GIF for this word. You send it, and it's also sent to you from above. The person can comment on it. You can delete it, like it, comment on it, and so on. It's easy and simple to do. Be sure to write in the comments whether the solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phone. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.